day 12. Hey, have you looked at your liaison's calendar lately? If you don't see block time for training, outreach, and referral partner visits, you don't have a referral strategy. You have wishful thinking. Today's action: put a 45-minute block a week on their calendars labeled referral, partner, outreach, and training. No emergencies. They keep that block sacred. In our 3 in 90 program, we actually have 2 huddle and outreach blocks, and we run them live. If you want that done with you structure, well, book your 3 in 90 start date. Jump on a call with Casey. Her link is in the comments. If you just want them to get used to showing up for those blocks first, Growth Lab might be your answer, and it's only $37 a week. It's a great way to build a habit. Jump on Casey's calendar now. She can't wait to talk to you. Tomorrow, day 13, we're going to be talking about check-in. I'm just checking in to see if you have any referrals for me. Ugh, wait till you hear this one. All right, guys, I'll see you tomorrow on day 13 because we're leading with heart and winning with strategy.